In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, why is this important? Well, grouping objects can greatly enhance your presentation, making it easier to move, format, and manage multiple objects as a single unit. No matter if you're dealing with shapes, images, or text boxes, this skill is going to simplify your slide design process significantly. So, let's dive right into the steps to help you master grouping on PowerPoint. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've just launched the application, you'll find yourself at the opening screen, which is your starting point for everything PowerPoint has to offer. But let's focus. The task at hand requires you to have a presentation file you're looking to edit. So the next thing you need to do is to open your file. You can do this by selecting Open on the opening screen and then navigating through your directories to find the PowerPoint presentation you're aiming to work on. Once you've found your file, click on it to open. This could be a presentation you've been working on recently, or a new project you're just starting. Now that your presentation is open, let's get to the core of today's topic: grouping. To begin, you're going to select the objects you wish to group. You might be thinking, how exactly do I select multiple objects? It's quite straightforward. You'll use the Shift key for this. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and while keeping it pressed, click on each of the objects you want to group together. These can be shapes, text boxes, pictures, or a mix of different elements. Your selection will be indicated by a highlight or a border around each selected object. Don't rush. Take your time to ensure you've selected all objects you want to include in your group. With all your desired objects selected, your next step involves navigating to the Shape Format tab on your PowerPoint ribbon, which is the strip at the top of your workspace. Filled with various tabs and options, you'll find the Shape Format tab. Click on it to reveal a new set of formatting tools dedicated to shaping your selected objects. This tab only becomes visible or active when you've selected objects that can be formatted. So, if you're not seeing it, ensure your objects are accurately selected. Within the Shape Format tab, you're looking for the Group option. It might seem like finding a needle in a haystack with all those options available, but it's usually located towards the right side of the ribbon. Upon finding it, click on Group. This action brings down a drop-down menu where, yes, you guessed it, you'll click on Group once more. This second click confirms your intent to group the selected objects together, and guess what? You've just successfully grouped your objects in PowerPoint. It's as simple as that. You can now move or format these objects together as a single entity, saving you plenty of time and ensuring consistency across your presentation. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. First, if you ever need to make adjustments to just one object within a group, don't worry. You can easily do so by double-clicking on the group, which will allow you to select and edit individual objects within it. And if the time comes when you no longer need the objects grouped, you can right-click on the group, find the Group option in the context menu, and select Ungroup. In summary, grouping objects in PowerPoint is a powerful but straightforward tool that can significantly streamline your presentation design process. From organizing your slides more efficiently to applying uniform formatting across various elements, mastering this feature will undoubtedly elevate your PowerPoint game. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to group objects in Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure to practice what you've learned today, and don't hesitate to experiment with grouping different types of objects to see just how much more dynamic your presentations can become. Until next time, keep exploring the endless possibilities within PowerPoint.